How I got my baby diaper free by 18 months. Number 1, keep as many potties around to make it accessible. Number 2, go diaper free as much as possible. Number 3, include books on potty training in your nap time or nighttime routine. Try and get baby on potty as frequently as possible. This means giving them activities, books, whatever you need to get them to stay on the potty. Number 5, anytime baby is losing it, upset, or angry, you take them off. We do not want to create this negative emotion around potties. The time will come when baby goes for the first time, whether that's a poop or a pee, and we go ape. It's a party, mama. So just lose it, make it such a big deal. Get everyone involved and get everyone up dancing. Make sure baby knows that they just accomplished something amazing. And lastly, we reward. So ensure that baby knows that this reward, whatever it is, and make it a good one. We're not talking about a slice of banana if they eat banana every day. Ensure that they understand that they're getting this reward because of what they just did. Okay, mamas, it's your turn. Give me your top potty training tip.